Hi guys, welcome back to another amazing tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to use overlay in Adobe XD. So let's check the result. Together we are going to create this push notification. As you can see, it slides down from the top and slide up. So let's get started. Right here I have this profile screen created just for this tutorial. In order to go quickly to what we want to create. So the first thing that we have to do is to create the notification card. So we are going to use rectangle or use by using the keyboard shortcut R, and we put it on the top side of our screen. Now we drag from the border point so we can make those borders smoother, and we are going to add a background blur. You can play around with the setting so you can get the effect that you want for your project. Now, so increase some the opacity so the text could be seen better. I think I'm not going to make this new notification same as the one I showed before. I change the color to black so you can compare at the end the result of the white text notification and now the black. So for this card I'm going to copy from the other card that we have made before. Now I delete this that isn't anymore useful for me and change the color of the text. Now let's check if I change the color. No, gray on the gray background don't go well, so we put the text color darker. Now we put the notification card on the upper side because we want to know what side we want. Now that we have it, we create another artboard and insert this card on this new artboard that we just have created. Now put it inside, center this, and we go to the prototype section. Here what we are going to do is to link the notification icon to this new artboard with trigger, tab, and very important, the action set to overlay. You can move the card wherever you want, so we use it to center the card. Now I'm going to choose snap and let's check the result. But first I didn't drag the text description down, so I move it down and let's check along if everything is connected. So yes, now let's check the preview and take a look to the result. That's all. Thank you for watching.